Hi friends, this is Vivin and today we are with the Motorola One Action. Talking about the device, we will see the unboxing of the device, face unlock and some features regarding the camera. The device will be coming in 4GB and 128GB. 128GB is the storage. This will be the only variant coming in India. Coming to the colors, there will be two colors which will be the denim blue and pearl white. This is the denim blue edition. It has a triple rear camera setup. This is the Motorola's first triple rear camera setup smartphone. It comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display and it has 3500 milliampere battery. We will talk each and everything later on. Currently the device here, you can see it comes with the protective case. This is just an ordinary silicone case. Also there is triple rear camera setup at the back with dual tone LED flash. There is also fingerprint sensor with the moto dimple. Coming to the front side, we are getting a 6.3-inch display where we have in-screen front camera. So we will talk about this later on. Coming to the display, it comes with the 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, which is a IPS panel. There are some paperwork. It includes the readme and the safety guide. Coming to the SAR value of the device, the SAR value of the device is 0.398. So this is the SAR value for the device. Here we have the Type-C charging cable, which you can see. I'm just focusing it on. You can see that it comes with the Type-C cable. The charging adapter is a 10-watt rapid charger adapter. The device comes with a 3500 milliampere battery, and here you can see the display, which is 21:9 aspect ratio. We have seen a similar device which has a cinema vision, was Motorola's One Vision, launched few days back. In the side you are getting the volume rocker key. At the back, I have already told you, you have a triple rear camera setup which includes 12 megapixel the primary camera. There is a 5 megapixel depth sensor and an ultra wide camera which is called an action camera, coming with 117-degree wide lens. In the bottom you are getting a Type-C port speaker, which is a Dolby speaker noise cancellation mic. If we go to the side ways, here you can see there is a slot. I will show you the SIM slot, and including the SIM slot, there is a hybrid SIM slot. It includes one nano SIM card slot and one micro SD card slot at the same time, or two nano SIM card slot can be used. On the top we are getting a 3.5mm jack. So this is what is the basic hardware, you can say, of the device. Coming to the front camera, it has a 12 megapixel camera with the aperture f2.0. Here you can see I have just did the face unlock for the device. I will show you how to register the face unlock. But before that, here you can see I am just putting on the brightness. It comes with a 21:9 aspect ratio. Coming to the device weighs around 176 gram. It comes with the water resistant with the rating of IPX2. It has a gesture navigation feature. Here you can see, if you want to switch it on, you can do that. It will tell you and guide you how to start that first. It also has all the Moto action features what we have seen in the previous generation of Moto smartphones. So how those will work, I will show you that also. Currently you can see it is running on Android 9.0 Pie, which is a stock Android. And going to the settings first, we will see, and there is a, I will go and show you the display settings first, because everyone is asking for the dark mode. So there is actually a dark mode present in the device, but it is not completely dark. It will not change the entire UI. But in the top, if we go to the settings and we will pull it down, here you can see it is in the dark mode. Now the complete dark mode, if we'll talk about, it will be definitely coming in the next update, I guess, in the Android update. But overall, it has a night light for your eye protection. You can change the automatic wallpaper according to your wallpaper setting. It can be dark or the light. It has the digital well-being also present in the device. Now going few more things, it comes with the processor, which is the octa-core processor Exynos 9609. This is the same processor which we have seen earlier in the Motorola One Vision. Talking about the RAM, it has a 4GB of RAM and 128GB internal storage, and this will be the only model coming in this variant for the smartphone. Coming to the GPU, it comes with the Mali G72MP3, which is the GPU present in this, and the battery of the device is 3500 milliampere, and the company has assured us that it will run for a full day, but this will come in the review. We will talk about this later, but definitely one thing is for sure, that device will get Android Q and the next update, and it comes with a 10-watt rapid charger in the box. So this is what we talk about the specification. One more thing, it has an NFC present in the smartphone, It is a Dolby audio present, so while you are watching the video experience, definitely 21:9 aspect ratio is giving you a cinematic vision. At the same time, the audio quality is also important while watching any video in the loudspeaker. Coming to the Moto Action, these are the similar what we have seen in the previous generation of Motorola. So Motorola smartphones, so it has a quick capture, fast flashlight, which is a chop feature, lift to do the face unlock, and also there is a three fingerprint screenshot. There's one button navigation. These are the few things present. Now talking about the face unlock, I will show you how to do the face unlocking, how to enroll your face for the device. First I have to put a pattern or a pin code. After that it goes inside here. I just have to put my face, and once it is done, it is very easy. It takes less than a minute to do the face unlocking registration. After that you can do the face unlock. There is a 3 fingerprint screenshot also you can do, and these we have already talked about. The quick capture is also there, and we talked about the 3 fingerprint sensor. Now talking about the Moto display, there is a peak display and attentive display. So if you are looking into the smartphone will not go dim. So this is the attentive display. These are the Moto actions what we have talked. Now coming to the camera, it comes with the 12 megapixel camera, which is the rear primary camera. It has a f1.8. It comes with a 5 megapixel depth sensor camera. Now the main camera, what the highlight is all about, is the action camera, which is the ultra wide lens 117 degree. Coming to the video shooting mode, here the primary video size will be 4K USD. There is also 21:9 full HD in 60 and 30 fps, and also 21:9. Here we are getting the settings for the action camera, which is full HD 60 fps, full HD normal. There is full HD 21:9, and there is SD mode. The photo size mode is also there. Front camera can also shoot 4K, which is a good thing. 4K USD in 60 fps and 30 fps. We will talk about this on later. We have seen there is a watermark. You can put out the watermark in the device. There are some AI settings like auto smile capture, smart composition. I will tell you to switch on the smart composition and shot optimization to take a better picture. There is Google Lens also present. It can capture the image in JPEG and RAW at the same time. Both can be done, or one at a time can be also done. So this is what we are getting in the video. Talking about some modes, it has some previously we have seen what the modes are. They are similar, nothing new in the camera mode. Includes spot, color, portrait. These are the few modes. Going to the video mode, this is the action camera mode, and this is the standard mode. Now I will show you some samples and you guys can judge yourself. So the video is definitely not ending. There are some captured images using the camera from the rear. We have tried and tested basically from the normal photo shoot, and also the video samples have been taken in full HD 60 fps, full HD. There is full HD 21:9, and there is also HD mode. So we have tried and tested how the colors came out. The company has also told us that this is not the final version of the software. It will be ready when the device is launched. So definitely wait for the device. I will be putting a webcast link in the below, which you can check it out when it is launching, and the price of the device still, because we don't know the price. But you guys can guess us and comment us the price, what you think for the device. We have tried and shot the videos in full HD 60 fps, full HD 21:9, full HD 30 fps, and HD 30 fps. You guys can check out the samples of video. Talking about the first impression for Motorola One Action, definitely I liked how smooth the stabilization is. The wide angle really works, and the action camera is also good enough. So definitely who's a videographer who likes to do a video shooting, or a vlogger can like prefer the camera smartphone, and definitely Motorola One Action can nail it, or maybe the perfect smartphone for them. So this is what we are getting with the Motorola One Action. This is Vivian signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and keep watching it, because the video is not ending and we have taken some more samples from the device.